What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. As you guys can see, this is the second gen 2003 lifted Honda CRV. A lot of plans for the CRV still. Sorry I haven't been making as many videos as I've been wanting to. I've been pretty busy, but basically this is an update video of the back bumper paint job. As you can see, it was recently painted. It looks great, and it is holding up well so far, so I definitely still need to paint the sides. As you can see, the side trim looks so bad. It actually looked pretty bad all the way down to the back bumper, but obviously it's a little dirty, but you can see it's much better than what it used to look like. So there's before and there's after. So definitely shinier, much darker, just looks newer, and that's what it used to look like for the most part. So obviously, I do still plan on doing these sides as well. Going to paint these very soon as well. On both sides, they need it. They definitely need it. But this is an update. It's an update of the back bumper on the back bumper, and it looks really good still. So you can see that it's holding up well. It's definitely not it's not flaking. It doesn't look like it's going to be flaking anytime soon. It's holding up really well. So if you guys missed the video, I did make a video actually doing this whole job back here. And I sanded it, painted it, masked it off and everything. It looks really good. So if you guys missed that video, definitely check it out. I'll link it in this video. But I think it looks great. I even painted the little mud flaps as well. I have to say that I'm happy with it. It's not stock. It's never going to be stock unless you take the bumper off and put a new bumper on, replace it completely, or do a proper paint job. It's not going to be perfect, but I have to say it looks way better than it did. And as you can see, sun might be in the way a little bit, but I'm liking it. It definitely brings up the look, because before, the back end, just having a big piece of trim like this looking really weathered and old made it look really bad, and it just made the whole vehicle look old. Now it looks way better, and it just looks a lot newer. It's shiny now. Now it's actually shiny, and it looks great. So yeah, if you guys missed the video, definitely check it out. I think it looks way better. This has been roughly just about 2 months since I did this, and I'm happy with the outcome. Obviously, I will keep you guys updated. I'll let you guys know how it looks in a few more months. I don't know, like 6 months or whatever. I'll do another update. Obviously, I need to do the side still as well, and we should probably look at the front bumper, because I did also paint the front bumper. But so far, I'm liking the outcome, and this paint seems like some really good quality paint. So if you guys want to see all of the everything that I used to actually finish this job, you should check out that video. But the paint seems like pretty good quality. No flaking, no problems at all. That's a little close-up look. Look how shiny it is. It's not, I really like this paint because it's not too shiny. It's a little, it's not too shiny, but it's not dull either, and it's not like gonna rub off or wash off. So it's not like a primer or flat paint or anything. It looks really good. So that is the back bumper, guys. Really quick update of the back bumper. I have to say, I'm happy with it. I am really happy with it, and I'm really excited to paint the sides as well. So let's check out the front bumper really quick. One more walk around of the back. Yeah, it still looks great. I mean, I have no problem with how it came out. Obviously, it was much worse. When your paint looks that bad, anything is better. And I'm happy with it. So let's go over to the front really quick. Let's see what the front looks like. So here's the side trim that I need to do still. It is definitely weathered and bad. Check that out. That is really bad. It just looks bad. All the way up to the front right here. That is so bad. But then you look at the front. It is dirty, but it looks so much better than it used to. And I'm really happy with it. So that red badge, obviously, it makes the front end pop. I still need to clear coat the front hood. And my grill is starting to chip a little bit. I usually just do a little really quick touch up on it every once in a while. I don't know, every 6 months or whatever. I haven't done it in a while. because it does chip. It ends up chipping. Surprisingly, the front bumper, with all of the rocks and gravel, rain, and washing it and everything, and the wind, still looks really good. It's not chipping. There's no flaking. It just looks great. So I am happy with the outcome of these projects. The paint that I used in these videos really came out. It really worked well with this job. I have seen like some paints say they're made for plastic. Don't even think this one said it was specifically made for plastic. I think it's like made for all kinds of different materials and different surfaces. But yeah, it looks great. It's super shiny. Well, somewhat shiny. It's not looking dull anymore. I didn't want it to be super glossy because you would be able to see imperfections better. But yeah, it looks really good. And that is an update on the projects of the front and back bumpers. And I have a lot more projects and things going on with the CRV that I will be updating you guys on. But for now, we are definitely going to do the sides. We need to do the sides. The side trims just look so bad. Like I mentioned before, these are just super bad. There you go. Yeah, look at that. That's how the front bumper looked. So that is about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.